Here's where I'm at. Don't know if you can see that, but I painted the whole inside. Used a rust encapsulator. I put it on the weld. I welded it from the inside, so it was actually easier to grind off on the other side. So while I was talking, my flashlight fell apart, so I had to go put it back together. But as you can see, I went and painted the inside. Treated all the welds with a rust encapsulator. Also started working on the other side, which, since I welded it from the inside, a lot less work to do on this side to smooth it out, grind it down. Still got to do this piece right here. But this piece is in, it's welded, and getting ready to put the outer skin on, get it all set up. But getting close. So a lot of work to do in the door, but it's moving forwards.